Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a Spotify not showing on Discord problem. Let's fix it guys. Before starting the solutions, we check whether the Spotify status feature is turned on from the Discord settings. To do this, open up Discord, click on the settings, go to connections, and you just need to make sure to turn on these two features guys. After turning on, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the first solution guys. The first solution is to disconnect and reconnect the existing Discord Spotify. To do this, open up Discord, go to settings and go to connections, and you just need to click on the cross in the Spotify and select disconnect. And after doing this, now you just need to close the Discord and click on this arrow icon, right click on the Discord over here and select quit Discord. After doing this, now you need to open the Discord, select the settings, select the connections, and select the Spotify over here. Here you need to log into your account guys. Discord is automatically connected because my account is open in my browser. It will ask you to log in. After login, Spotify and Discord connected. Now you just need to go back to Discord and make sure to turn on these two features and check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to uninstall and reinstall Discord. To do this, you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. You just need to select the zip and download the Cheking installer. After getting download done, you just need to open the zip file. Double click on the geek.exe. Select yes. Now you just need to right click on the Discord and select uninstall. Now you need to select the finish option to delete all of these leftovers. Select the finish. After completely deleting Discord, you just need to close stuff here. And now you just need to check my video description for this link used in my video. Select the download for Windows and download the Discord guys. After getting download done, you just need to install it. After installing the Discord, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to use Microsoft Store Discord. To do this, go to search menu and type store. Click on open the Microsoft Store. Search for Discord. Select the Discord. Select the install option and install the Discord. After installing the Discord, you just need to open the Discord and check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.